Hey everyone! Here I will show you how to activate Gmail of Google Workspace in Squarespace DNS records. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the full process, including Workspace setup, domain verification, DNS records, and finally Gmail testing. Whether you're a small business owner or solo creator, this is the best way to set up professional email with your Squarespace website. Follow each step carefully, or you may lost. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by setting up domain at Google Workspace. Before anything else, go to the official Google Workspace website. To enable Gmail and custom email addresses like admin@yourdomain.com, you'll need to sign up for a plan. In our case, we started with a plan, as shown here. This step is mandatory. Without an active Google Workspace account, Gmail setup won't work. Once signed up, you'll be taken to the admin console at admin.google.com. From here, click on Domains, then select Manage Domains. Now click Add a Domain and enter your domain name. We used pmntechfix.nl, which is hosted on Squarespace. After submitting the domain, Google will begin the verification process. You'll be asked to choose between automatic verification and manual verification. Squarespace also support automated system, but we selected the manual method for exact run-up, and it worked 100% for me. Step 2. Get the TXT record for domain verification. Once manual verification is selected, Google will display a TXT record. This record is unique and helps prove that you own the domain. It usually looks like this: host, value, as shown here. Copy this TXT value carefully. It will be pasted into Squarespace's DNS settings. This step is key when learning how to verify a domain in Google Workspace manually, or how to link Gmail with your Squarespace site. Step 3. Add the TXT record in Squarespace DNS settings. Now, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. From your website dashboard, go to Settings, then Domains. Click on the domain you added in Google Workspace. In our case, it's pmntechfix.nl. Next, go to DNS Settings and click Manage DNS Records. Click Add Record, select TXT as the type, and for host or name, enter @ Paste the TXT record value you copied from Google. Click Save. Step 4. Add Google MX records in Squarespace, even though Gmail is active. We need to make sure email routing is correct by adding Google's MX records in the DNS settings. Back in Squarespace, under DNS settings, delete any existing MX records first. Now click Add Record and select MX. Enter these 5 records, as shown here. There are 5 records, let's do it carefully. Now your Squarespace domain is correctly routing emails to Gmail servers, solving the question of how to connect Squarespace email to Gmail manually. For more safety, I would suggest to add an SPF TXT record for email authentication and set up DKIM for email signing. DKIM adds an extra layer of security to your outgoing emails. That's it. We waited a few minutes, then returned to the Google admin console and clicked Verify. Once Google confirmed the record, we saw the message, "You're all set." This meant Gmail had been activated and our domain was successfully linked. Step 5. Access Gmail with your custom email. After the domain verification, Google prompted a quick setup. We clicked on Gmail and it took us directly to our new inbox. In our case, the newly created professional email was admin@pmntechfix.nl. He sent a test email to our main Gmail account to confirm everything was working, and the email arrived instantly. This proves that Gmail is now active and fully functional with our Squarespace domain. If you're wondering how to set up Google Workspace email with your custom domain on Squarespace, this confirms the success. One thing to remember: after saving all the DNS records, wait for the changes to propagate. This can take a few minutes up to 48 hours, but often happens much sooner. So if your is not working, it's best to wait few more hours. Finally, test the email system. send an email from your new Gmail account, like admin@pmntechfix.nl, to another address. In our test, it worked perfectly. The email was delivered successfully. That's the complete process for how to connect Gmail to your Squarespace domain using Google Workspace. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to our channel.